is Marcus, December 10th, 2012. He just figured out how to play Twinkle Twinkle with chords. He figured this out by himself. Ready, go. What?
The end.
Marcus, who taught you how to play the chords to Twinkle Twinkle?
By myself.
How did you learn that? Why are you so crazy? Can I get a smile, Marcus?
Because he's a learner.
Because he's a learner? Marcus, look at the camera. Say bye.
Bye. Or no cornbread.
What in the world? And what are you doing over here? Audrey, you're writing a book called Labyrinth Street by Audrey Lee. She has, can't see it, but she already wrote different chapters to her book. And she already knows the page numbers of them. Why are my children so crazy? Hmm?